congratulations ulit. It's nice seeing you again. And this time, grand finalist ka na ng Britain's Got Talent. Kumusta after that pangalawang Golden Buzzer? Naluloka ka na ba?
Super, as in like mentally, spiritually, physically din, medyo overwhelmed pa rin. I think the second Golden Buzzer had a lot more perks that came with it. So, syempre, I have to do what I have to do. So, sleep deprived, but I'd gladly be sleep deprived because of this.
Kumusta, Mati? Take us back to that moment. Why did you decide na kantahin yung Dream On? Kasi grabe, powerful na yung kanta. Pero when you gave that rendition, grabe, ganun pala talaga siya ka-powerful and it really speaks so much of your journey.
Actually, yung Dream On na yan, takot ako sa kantang yan. So, and I knew that people would look for that high note, alam mo yon, but I was genuinely just focused on the narrative, yung sa storya nung kanta. Tsaka gusto ko talaga siyang kantahin kasi anthemic alam mo yon. Yung lyrics pa lang, journey ko rin talaga siya. It encapsulates what I'm going through, what I've been fighting for all my life. So, when we decided to do Dream On and then do that arrangement, kasi syempre, you want everything to be curated towards your own thing, 'di ba? So I'm so glad that with the team of BGT, they helped me create that. The staging, the choir, the instrumental, everything was just, oh my gosh. Props to the BGT team kasi sobrang laki ng tulong nila doon and I'm so glad it turned out the way it did. Nape-pressure ako ng sobra kasi syempre coming into semifinals as a golden buzzer, that's enough pressure na, oh, golden buzzer ka ha, dapat mag-deliver ka. Pero to vie for a golden buzzer again, I didn't even know it was possible as well kasi nga syempre sa atin wala pa. Or I think I've seen it in other instances pero yung second golden buzzer nila is another season. So sabi ko talaga, ako bahala na kung ano man mangyari. Ang important sa akin, sana ma-deliver ko yung kanta. Kasi syempre, sabi ng mga tao na parang wala lang or parang madali lang. Die, promise talaga. Like, it was very hard to sing that song. Kaya I was stood still. Hindi ako pwedeng maglilikot-likot kasi hihingalin ako, tas baka kapusin ako. So, andun yung pressure talaga. Pero at the same time, ang gusto ko rin kasi enjoy this time around. Alam mo yon. So, inisip ko, dead man na lang kung ano man mangyari ngayon. Basta do your best. You know what you offer. You know what you can do. And you know what you can't do as well. So, I
Mm.
didn't want to overreach. I didn't want na gawin kong pressure na kailangan maka-golden buzzer ako ulit. Ayokong gawin ganon kasi sabi ko, maloloka lang ako.
Mm.
So, sabi ko na lang, let's just have fun this time around. Pero thankfully, di ba, na golden buzzer. So,
Correct.
salamat, salamat.